Yo! Starting off the day with Earn My Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a Black Rock coffee going about 4 miles. Morning. Yes. Thank you. No problem. Total for that one was $7. Pretty good. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is going 5 miles.
Have a good one.
Thank you too. Total for that order was $7 and change, and got the next one right away. This is a different Starbucks. This one is going 4.5 miles. Morning. Yeah, Jeff?
Okay. Right there for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It says the GPS is usually inaccurate. Also, the complex has a tricky layout with multiple buildings. I'm really glad you warned me, but that does nothing to help me out. That clears up nothing. Okay, GPS was wrong, but that was actually really easy to find. I mean, maybe if it was like dark still, I don't know. That wasn't too bad. Total for that one was $8. This one is high mileage and probably not the best order ever, but I don't know. I've got a feeling if I stay up here, all these orders are gonna start turning to trash. So I'm trying to get out of this area, and this one does that. Got a McDonald's, $12, going 8.5 miles. Thank you. Just in time. Completed that order at the very end of the first hour. So we're at 23 plus whatever I said that last order was, like $12. Someone did the math on that. That's pretty good. And just got the next order. I think we're heading right back to the same McDonald's. This one's going 2.5 miles.
That's this one, right?
Thank you. There's the first no tip of the day. Total for that one was $4, and got the next one right away. This is a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that one was $6 and change. This one seems a little too good to be true, but we'll give it a shot. This is a Starbucks, $10, going 1 mile. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, it's a big bag, 6 items, so maybe it is legit. Next up is a 7-Eleven. This one is $10, going 5.5 miles. So, kind of need the next order to come in. It's been maybe 15 minutes since the last one was dropped off. It's been another, 15 minutes I want to say. Really slow all of a sudden, but we finally got the next order. This is a Wendy's, unfortunately. This one is going 2.5 miles.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you today? Here you go. Here's the drink. You're all good
Thank
to go.
you. Oh, wowee. Not even a nickel, huh? 3-cent tip on that one. Total for that was $5. That was terrible. Got this one right away. This is Peachtree Restaurant. This one's going 4 miles.
gallon to the pump.
Thank you, grilled chicken.
Total for that one was $11 and change. Probably the best order today. Thank you, thank you. And I think I'm just gonna call it here because it is pretty slow right now. Current time is 8:52. Current total is 74, and I think I'm waiting on 1, maybe 2 Uber tips. I'm not sure. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.